Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have a verified property, so start by signing into Booking. Com Extranet and opening the Promotions or Paid Placements area. Enter billing and tax details now so ads can run without delay. Next, select a clear campaign goal, visibility, direct bookings, or length of stay optimization, and name the campaign. Once done, pick the property units and dates to target. Make sure to set a realistic daily budget. This is the foundation that lets bids and targeting take effect immediately. Now configure the campaign details. Select rooms and rate plans you want to promote and specify availability windows. For bidding, decide between cost per click or cost per acquisition. Set a max bid and daily cap to control spend. Then layer targeting, geography, devices, traveler length of stay, and booking lead time to reach the right guests. Upload creative, headline, description, and high-quality photos. Once these elements are combined, Booking.com will start matching inventory to demand. Monitor delivery in the campaign dashboard. Launch the campaign and track key KPIs, impressions, CTR, conversions, and CPA daily at first, then weekly. When metrics drift, adjust bids and reassign budget to higher-performing room types. Pause offers that underperform. Use a /B tests for headlines, photos, and rate fences to improve conversion. Finally, export performance reports and reconcile spend with revenue. Troubleshooting tip: if ads never serve, check billing status, property visibility, and rate availability. Resolving a declined payment or hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.